Om Sai Ram children, this is Paati. I have a story for you. The name of the story is Scuttleball, Soccer for Ants. One day in the trunk of a big hollow tree, all types of ants met. And these ant teams were made of red ants, black ants, flying ants, termites, and even some funny multicolored ants. They all gathered in the hollow of the tree. For a few days, the big hollow tree was buzzing with activity. It was time for the Scuttleball World Championship. Scuttleball is actually soccer for ants, and it was definitely their favorite sport. Ants of all shapes and sizes from every nook and corner in the world arrived. And of course, all the loyal supporters from every team were present on the soccer stand. As the tournament went on and the excitement just increased, and the supporters got more and more devoted to their own particular team that they chose. Before long, something happened. In the stand where all the supporters were sitting, a big black ant shouted, "Midgets! Midgets!" at a group of small red ants. The red ants answered with a bit of pushing and shoving, and almost instantly the whole thing turned into a great fight with all their big legs, their jaws and antennae fighting. In the end, thousands of ants were in hospital and the tournament had to be suspended. No one can deny that there's almost always trouble when different kinds of ants get together. But this time things had gone too far. So a meeting was called by the ant elders. The matter was discussed by the elders for days. They were trying to reach a solution which would end this kind of trouble once and for all. Finally, a decision was made by the ant elders. They announced loudly, "We believe that ants from all the teams are equal." Thank you for listening and goodbye.